Hello everyone, my name is Sarity and I will be explaining what P waves, S waves, and the epicenter is. So for the epicenter, um, we can see here in my little image that the epicenter is right here. I think you guys are able to see my cursor. It's in the surface of the ocean, and then from there the P wave starts to comes first. Mm, the P wave is faster than the S wave. It's a compressional wave as the S wave is a shear wave. The P wave is solid and liquid travel as the S wave is only solid travel. And the P wave has a shorter path because it travels faster, and then the S wave has a longer path because it travels slower. The way that someone can tell how far they are from an earthquake is by measuring the distance in a seismograph, how far the P wave and the S wave are from each other, and how do they move away? So I'm going to use my hands to demonstrate because I can't find the words. Well, actually, I could use my cursor. So the S wave is going to move somewhat of like a squiggly line like this, as the P wave moves like this, like that, all throughout the earthquake. And yeah, I think this is all. Thank you for watching my presentation.